Alright students, so let us complete exercise 11.1 today. Few questions are left. Let's go to question number 8 first. So if you read the question number 8, Krishna brought mangoes at rupees 30 per dozen. He had to sell them at a loss of 6%. Find the selling price of one orange. Okay, so his cost price is rupees 30 per dozen. Alright, and he had to sell at a loss of 6%. You have to find the SP of one orange, not 1 dozen. You have to be careful with that part of the question. Okay, so we know the formula CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. So we know the CP is 30, SP into 100 by loss is what? 6. So 100 minus 6. So that cell gave us 1 0. I can cancel from here only. So that cell gave us, if you calculate, your SP will be rupees 28.2. Okay, now the problem is this is the SP of 1 dozen, but in the question you have to find SP of 1 orange. So required SP of 1 orange is rupees 28.2 by how many are there in 1 dozen? 12. Yes, you have to divide this and your final answer will be rupees 2.35. Okay, very interesting question, very important question. Now let's go to question number 9. Now if I go to question number 9, this question is also important. A man sells 2 radios for rupees 4,000 each. So there are 2 radios. So let me mark them as radio 1 and radio 2. For both of them the selling price is rupees 4,000. So for the radio 1 also 4,000, for the radio 2 also 4,000 only. For one he gets a profit of 20%. So for this one profit of 20%, and for the other loss of 20%. So for this one there is a loss of 20%. Find his total loss or gain in the whole transactions. Alright, so we know this formula for CP. So CP is what? SP into 100 by, there is a profit over here, so 100 plus profit percentage. So my CP we don't know, SP is 4,000. So 4,000 into 100 by 100 plus 20. So 120. You can calculate this part and you will get rupees 3333.33. This is the CP of the first radio. Now doing the similar thing over here, CP is equal to SP into 100, but this time there is a loss, so 100 minus loss percentage. Put the formula, substitute all the values in the formula and you will get the CP of the second radio as rupees 5,000. Alright, so CP of the first radio is rupees 3,333.33 and CP of the second radio is rupees 5,000. So what will be the total CP then? So my total CP, is obviously the sum of these two, that is 3,333.33 plus 5,000 from the second one. So my total CP is 8,333.33. Now what is my total SP? Total selling price. Both of them are sold at 4,000, isn't it? So 4,000 plus 4,000. So this cell gave us total of 8,000, isn't it? Now since your CP is greater than your SP, so in the whole transaction he has incurred loss, because your CP is greater than your SP. Done. So let's go to the last question, that is question number 10. Okay, so this question is very interesting. Question number 10, they are saying the cost of 12 books is equal to SP of 8 books. So CP, basically the condition is like this: CP of 12 books is equal to SP of 8 books. You have to find the gain or loss percentage. Okay, so now very easy way to do this is, let the CP of one book be rupees 1. I can assume 10 also, 20 also, I can assume 100 also, but it will be easy to calculate if I take 1. That is why we take 1. Okay, this part is important. So what will be the CP of 12 books then? So CP of 12 books then, CP of 12 book is obviously 12. So now they are saying SP of 8 books is equal to CP of 12 books. So SP of 8 books is also 12. But since we are talking about 8 books now, what is the CP of 8 books? CP of 8 books is rupees 8, because CP of 1 book is 1. So see, SP of 8 books is 12, CP of 8 books is 8. So there is profit or loss. Since your SP is greater than your CP, so there is a profit. How much is the profit? 12 minus 8, that is rupees 4. 4 rupees profit. Now you have to find profit percentage. Profit percentage is profit by CP into 100 into percent. So my profit is 4, my CP is what? 8 into 100%. So this shall give us, final calculation, this shall give us 50%. So basically there is a profit of 50%. Alright, I hope you people are following. SP of 8 books is 12, CP of 8 books is 8, so there is a profit of rupees 4, profit percentage is 50%. Let me write the final answer here. Therefore profit percentage is 50%. Okay, so this question is also very important from examination point of view. Alright, so that brings the end of chapter 11. From the next video onwards, we shall start the next chapter, that is chapter 12, simple interest.